Good morning, happy homeowners. All right, Brian Adams over here in Rancho Cucamonga. Love this neighborhood. Hey, got an old house over here. Painters went crazy with the paint, but this is going to be a drastic before and after. It's just traditional white oak, original floor. You've seen them, but this one looks like it's in worse shape than it really is. So let's turn this around. I mean, it's bad. I mean, it's beat up. It just hasn't, nothing. Let me get it. There it is. So, you got these cuts and scratches here where the couch used to be. Got a nice border around the fireplace that you can't see. The painter went crazy. And they tried to just take paint thinner and wash everything up. It's a mess. Deep scratches in here. Got some real cool quarter sawn pieces, that tiger stripe. We're gonna make some special reducers for all these doorways. Again, the painter, man. Lordy, Miss Claudia. Lordy, Miss Claudia. Crazy. I'm gonna get some good before and after pictures in this because it's gonna be such a drastic difference. But I mean, who needs drop cloths when you got hardwood floor to spray paint? Now this spot here, can you see that? It's probably going to come out, but we don't know. That's wood. I mean, it's painted, but it's wood. These guys are nuts. So you definitely want to tune in and see this thing come to life. All right. See you soon.